tired. I wanna do this no more.
That's insane! My curls are gone.
My glasses, but no, her hair's more important.
What do you think you're doing?
Briksdalsbreen. It's basically a place where there's a lot of waterfalls. We woke up really early. Obviously, we woke up really early and then we're just gonna see a bunch of waterfalls. We're here for a couple of hours, but we can't go back to the cruise too late. Otherwise, we would get left behind. Touch my hair. Touch my hair. Silky. But yeah, so we're just gonna take, I think this is the only place we're gonna go to today.
Yes,
just take some photos by the waterfall and then just have a good time. Mommy wanted to cheat. Mommy wanted to go on that instead of going on a hike. Come on, Mommy, it'll be fun. Huh?
You're the one driving on it anyway. You can stop anytime.
No.
There's a driver.
No, they're the drivers. Let's go. It'll be fun, Mommy. So not even 5 minutes into the hike, my mom has decided that she's going to hire one of those carts thing to take her to the top. So me and him, we're going to just keep walking up because we're gonna do it properly. Look at that! He's gone to the top already. Is it good? I feel like I'm gonna be running a lot today because he likes to be fast, even though I got little legs. I got little legs. Oh! Oh wow! How are we doing, Shani? It's quite a steep way. Let's just say she's struggling. Come on, girl. Where are you going? Oh gosh. I'm sick of, oh my gosh. I regret following you. I regret following you. Remember, I got little legs. Whoa! Oh my God! That's insane! Oh my God, my camera's wet! Come on, girls! It's beautiful. It's just a lot of walking.
How high does it usually go?
No, I know, but this is steep. Oh. She's dying. Huh? Oh no! The amount of times she has complained already about her sweat. No, you've been complaining about your sweat. I perspire. And James has taken it upon himself to be the one who's pushing Yell, because he knows that she won't get mad at him. Look.
She will.
You okay, Yell? What did you say, Yell?
I said, I'm sick, bro.
Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Thank
Like
you.
Elsa.
You feel like Elsa?
Let it go.
Do you want to sing it then?
No. I'm tired. I don't want to do this no more.
James!
I don't want to do.
Dad, why are you sweating so much?
He has a jacket and a jumper on. He's only just taken the jacket off.
Let's see, Dad. The glacier is right over there. Closing in.
I really hope she was lying to you. I really hope she was. So in 10 minutes time you're like, oh
She said she needs a break. I can see the end. Oh my gosh, we're here. We're here. We're here. We're here. Happy? Yeah, you could look happier for the vlog, my gosh.
Where's my mom?
Oh, this is stunning. I probably said that 50,000 times already, but wow.
Ah, my shit. What?
Okay, it's time to go back. The glacier is right over there. Oh, there we go. There it is. We walked all the way up here and now it's time to come back.
Okay, you can have my hat now.
Time to come back then. What's wrong with you?
Something in my eye. Okay, Philip, let's go.
Let's go, Phil.
Let's go.
Did you enjoy that?
He's gonna go for a swim.
Oh, it's cold. That's cold.
I think my makeup's gonna come off.
Huh?
My mascara.
Your mascara. Yeah, my lens is very wet. It's been a very rainy, not rainy though. It's just like, look at her. Refreshed, she took a shower. We're almost down.
Wet.
Yeah, my curls are gone.
My glasses, but no, her hair's more important.
Oh no, I got that on film. You slapped it again.
I'm pretty ugly.
What day is it today?
Friday.
Is it day? Mom, what day is it today? Huh? What day is it today?
Wednesday.
Day what of the trip? Day 4 of the trip. Huh?
We're in Hellesylt something.
Okay. But we're gonna Hellesylt. We're gonna go in another boat. We're gonna explore the place and see what it offers and stuff like that. And then we're gonna see some more falls like yesterday. Look how pretty the waterfall is. Mom, I think we need to do the hike from here to there.
Okay, you and James can do that. We'll meet you there. We'll meet you in the afternoon.
You're actually going to take one of those.
I want to. I want to. Come on, baby.
You want to? Mommy, how about that?
I can do that.
ticket was sold out, so we couldn't go to the cruise. Not cruise, like a little boat trip. It was sold out, so we're just gonna have a look around town. There's a really nice waterfall here anyways. Mommy's a bit sad, but it's okay. Stuff happens, and we'll just keep going on with our day. Look at my mom. She's enjoying the waterfall.
Chanelle's tired.
Yeah, Chanella is very tired, bless her. She got up very early this morning. Give us a smile, Mario! Like that for yourself next to a waterfall. You'd never get sleep.
That's going to be loud.
They didn't want to hike, me and James did, so we left them, and we're just looking at nice views here, like this. Oh my gosh, like this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Watch out.
Doesn't do it justice. We're back with everyone again because we're back in the bottom. Can you pick her up and pretend to chuck her in? Wait, take her back. Come on.
Panama.
Can I have some of your drink, love? Can I have some of your drink, please? Shani, please, can I have some of your drink?
What did you say? What do you think you're doing? I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna die. Very quickly.
Go more.
Stop showing off.
But we tip her upside down.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
I got a free bag out of that.
No, baby. Look how Kuya does it. No, pay attention. No, pay attention.
What cave did you find, Sarah?
We were trekking earlier and I said I'm gonna go get like my purse out of your bag and my phone. I opened his bag and I went, Bob, why is there a handkerchief here? And then he went, muffin. He was like, and I was like, why? And he was like, I thought we were gonna be gone for ages. I needed a muffin.
Still in my bag.
She's making me cry. You're so ugly. I don't tell you you're ugly even if you are. I keep it to myself because you're sensitive. Sensitive of your skin.
So they asked for an ice cream and they put it in their bread roll because that's a dessert that we have in Philippines. Is it good, Tita Ali?